you go. Yum, yum, yum.
Believe it. Hold on. Wait a minute, Lola. Is that you, Lola? I found you.
I'm here for you. Ain't no me. There is not a me in the world. Come on, Papa Potty. Yes. Come on, EJ. Come over here, Potty.
Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here?
Hey. You're old. Hey, PJ. You're being a little dramatic. Oh, Christ.
Kind of adopted them. And it seems that they are becoming more of a burden than we anticipated. And they found the shredder. Get it, River.
Sprayer. Here, come here. Get out of here. Come on. Oh, you're a cutie. Come on.
I'm pretty sure she just distracted her so she could steal the bed.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ow. Ow. Just hold on a minute. Just, okay. Oh, no, what? Not gonna join the party.
Down. This is not funny.
Yeah, it is. It's really funny.